If you're looking at how to make a beauty cash cow channel, which we'll be going over in just a few seconds, I want to let you know that you're in the right place. Watch to the end. Stop pulling my hair! To see if this niche gets the green light or the red light stamp of approval. Subscribe if you're looking to grow your YouTube channel and make money with YouTube. Check out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint, link in the description below if you are interested in making money with YouTube without revealing your face in any of the videos. So in order to make a beauty cash cow channel, I want to start out by showing you guys a successful channel so we could start drawing some inspiration from it. Now let's switch over to viewer mode and let's go investigate on YouTube. Now we have to think about what a viewer interested in the beauty niche would be interested in looking up. Now I typed in best skincare hacks, and as we scroll down, I see a lot of girls are just recording themselves applying the makeup. I want to look for someone who isn't showing necessarily their face. Let's click on this video right here. What I like about this video is they're already doing whiteboard animations, and all this means is that they're already just simply doing doodles, animation, cartoon style videos as their background. And this is simply some hand movements. You could get this as some free card stock footage. You can easily access this on the internet, looking up some websites like Pixabay. And what I love about this is that this may not be the person behind the channel, but this is great because they're showing a person to demonstrate the skincare hacks. There is also most likely a narrator narrating the video, talking about how the skincare hack helps clean up whatever's on the nose, or how to remove the pimple, or fix up whatever was going on with the hair. Nails done, hair done, everything big. Yeah, this is showing some great information on just some skincare hacks that can be really useful for the viewer. As I scroll down, we can see that this video has over 1.7 million views. You know, the channel has a decent amount of subscribers with 77 million. And it does have some engagement, and there are people making comments on this type of video. I would love to hear from you guys. Comment down below, what is your favorite part about your makeup routine? As I go into their homepage, this channel is all about 5-minute crafts. Easy to do things like skincare routines, art projects that they could easily do in 5 minutes. So this is a lot of do-it-yourself kind of things. This is like some art projects or even some life hacks that they are interested in doing. They also have some beauty kind of stuff, as I see they have some videos surrounding about the nails, some life hacks for your lips, and they also have videos about beauty tips. Now let's check out how their monetization is going. Let's go investigate how much views this channel is earning and how much money they're making through ad revenue. So if I go into this website, I can now access the channel statistics. And if we look at their views in the past 30 days, which is just insane right now, these guys are getting in 233 million views throughout the month. That is just a crazy amount of views. And you've seen how easy these videos were to make, guys. All they got was some free stock footage of girls learning how to apply the makeup skills. And these guys are making over $932,000, close to that $1 million mark, just in one single month. And throughout the year, they're making those 7 figures, 8 figures right here with 11.2 million in ad revenue alone. They could also have other forms of income as well. Just from observing these analytics, there is an audience most definitely interested in those beauty tips that can make, you know, someone feel really great about themselves and all the. If you guys are enjoying the content so far, I would appreciate you guys leave a like down below. Now let's see how easy these videos are to make. What do we see? What do we hear? Look at our video up here. A video is like putting all your makeup together all into one masterpiece. How'd I do, guys, on my 10-second video? Feel free to let me know in the comment section down below. Now it's time to check out if this niche gets the green light stamp of approval or the red light. I would say the beauty niche does get the green light. As we've seen the amount of views interested in this kind of content, I would say that there is a huge demand for this kind of content, as well as the potential profit that you can be earning off this niche. Also, that's just one source of income with ad revenue. I can most definitely see, you know, within your channel, you can be promoting other beauty products, and that is just another source of an additional income. A big bonus is that the videos are very easy to make. YouTube automation can serve as a great backbone for this niche. And let's say you weren't interested in this niche, but don't worry, because we're gonna go explore even more niches in future videos. Now let's say this is the niche for you and this is the one that you wanna do. You have 2 options now. Option A, you can do it yourself with the possibility of wasting some time as you're trying to figure out how to do YouTube correctly. Or you have option B. You can get the step-by-step guide that helps so many creators become successful with the YouTube automation process. If you're interested in option B, most definitely I recommend checking out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint, link in the description below. That's it for this video. Watch this video right here as we're going to be exploring the next niche to see if it gets the green light, stamp of approval, or the red light. Subscribe to TubeGreat if you're trying to grow your YouTube channel and make money with YouTube. And don't forget to check out that YouTube Freedom Blueprint. Link to the description below, as it is my #1 recommended way to make money with YouTube. Peace out.